Welcome to today's video on mobility every day. I'm going to show you a few simple moves on how you can keep your joints healthy by moving the shoulders, the torso, and the hip joints all at once. Let's start. Start by standing easy and sway your body from side to side, bending one knee at a time. Allow the body to rotate and spiral a little bit, letting your arms loose. You can also widen the stance if you like, and that you can also try to sway your pelvis from side to side a little bit more, loosening the movement. We are loosening the joints here and allow the body to just loosen up overall. Take it easy as we do this, and if you like, you can make it a little bit more dynamic, bending one knee at a time, a little bit deeper, rotating, swing a little bit more, and integrating the arms. Remember to fold from the hip joints and not push from the knee. As you rotate a little bit more, you can start to lift both arms up to shoulder's height only, following the movement of the torso rotation here. Bouncing gives us the buoyancy in this movement. So make sure you keep bouncing, folding from the hip joints, letting the arms sway up freely. And now from here, you're going to lift one arm up at a time here. As you do that, notice the slight arch in my spine. There are two ways to doing it. You can keep bouncing from the hip joints, or you can also keep the legs straight as you do it. They are both okay to do. I suggest we do it alternately. When we bounce, we allow the body to be more buoyant overall, giving it more elasticity. And when we keep the legs straight and move just the arms, we are focusing a lot more on the shoulder joints and the arm movements. Now from here, you're going to start to turn out one leg and bring it back to parallel. Bend the knees a little bit as you do it, because that will help to give us more stability. Doing this actually helps to move the femur head of the turn out leg, helping us to free up tight joints in the area. When you're ready, you can glide the leg up, not too high. As you turn out, you also want to flex the foot, gliding it up a little bit, bring it back down. And swing it a little bit back and forth if you like. Make sure it's a gentle swing. We don't want to lose balance. It helps to keep the standing leg a little bit bent. I recommend that we do this a lot for many times, because we are working on the stability of the standing leg as well as the hip joints of the moving, swinging leg. Now, doing it continuously, keeping the standing leg straight now, engaging the inner thighs as the other leg swings freely in the hip joints. You can do a light bounce in transition before you go again for the next rep. Do this as many times as you like, yeah? Especially for those who sit a lot in the office or just sit around a lot, tight hips or tight lower back. Doing this can actually help us to lengthen out the lower back and free up the hip joints a lot. Of course, if you feel you need more stability, you can always hold on to a chair, a table, or have your arm against a wall. Okay, and now come back to bouncing, deepening the bend of each leg here. That's all I have for today. Keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Take care and have a lovely day. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.